Friday, November 3rd, Saint Martin de Porres. Focus. Jesus took him and healed him. Luke 14, verse 4. Jews do not work on the Sabbath, and so they were watching to see what Jesus would do with the man who had dropsy, whether he would break the Sabbath law. Mind you, they had no problem with Jesus healing the man. Their grouse was only about working on the Sabbath, nor was Jesus against the law. However, by his actions he showed that love and mercy are above the law. Luke 14 verse 5. But Jesus proclaimed love for God and for others. The Israelites, the chosen ones, had lost the essence of love. They observed only the outward form of religion by strictly keeping the law. No wonder Paul experienced great sorrow and anguish for other Israelites. Saint Martin de Porres was a Dominican lay brother. He was renowned for his care and service to the sick and needy. We too have numerous opportunities to serve those in need. When we witness an accident or fight, do we simply watch and continue on our way? The least you can do is pray for the victim. Sadly, some do stop, just video shoot and post it on social media, even if the person is dying. If the victim were known to us, would we not rush to help? What is Jesus telling us today? Fruit. When I see those in need, with God's grace, I reach out to them in whatever way I can.